The end of old age discovered. Come on. Did you know that Columbia University made an incredible discovery? They conducted a study combining humans and animals that revealed something fascinating about taurine. Well, believe it or not, this substance has the power to increase the longevity of several species, including monkeys, which are very similar to us. And it doesn't stop there. Humans who supplement with taurine show fewer signs of aging. In other words, taurine is one of those magical supplements that can increase our longevity or, at least, protect against the negative effects of aging. Interesting, right? But wait, there's more. Did you know that taurine is not found in vegetables? Yes, that's right. It is only present in animals, especially the most active ones. Think about birds, for example. They are always flying around and therefore have a lot of taurine. The same goes for fish, which swim all the time. And why this happens? Because taurine acts as a powerful antioxidant in membranes that conduct electricity. This means that our hearts, muscles, eyes, and brains have a lot of taurine. Furthermore, it is essential for detoxifying our body. Whenever you exercise, your body releases taurine to protect your muscles. Isn't it incredible? Taurine is actually an essential antioxidant, especially for athletes. It increases serum levels during physical exercise, which makes it essential for those who play sports. Years ago, this might not have been so clear, but today we know that taurine is one of the most important supplements there is. However, many people are still wary of consuming taurine. Why? It's Red Bull's fault. People think they will get super excited because of taurine, but the truth is different. Let's understand this better. In neuroscience, our brain has a tendency to associate substances with sharp names with something dangerous. This happens with taurine, glutamine, creatine, and even adrenaline. Our brain sees these substances as something that can cause us harm. And then, taurine ended up taking the blame because it is present in Red Bull. But here's a surprise. Taurine is in Red Bull precisely to protect you from heart arrhythmias and seizures caused by caffeine. Yes, taurine acts as a tranquilizer, stabilizing the cell membrane. So when you think of Taurus, remember that she is your friend, not your enemy. It helps your body in a variety of ways, from protecting your muscles during exercise to keeping your heart healthy. Don't let fear or misinformation stop you from enjoying the incredible benefits of taurine. It is a natural substance present in many foods you already consume, such as meat and seafood. And speaking of benefits, taurine also plays an important role in the health of your brain and eyes. It helps with retinal function, improving vision and preventing eye diseases. Additionally, studies show that it can protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. So, if you are looking for a longer and healthier life, taurine can be a great ally. Let's recap. Taurine is a natural supplement that can do wonders for your health. It is present in foods of animal origin, especially the most active ones, and helps protect your body against the effects of aging. Don't let unfounded fear stop you from enjoying all the benefits it has to offer. Be proactive and consider including taurine in your diet, with medical advice, of course. So, what did you think? Lots of information, right? But that's how it is. When we start to understand things better, everything makes more sense. Taurine can be that little push you need to live better and longer. And remember, Information is your best ally. Research, talk to health professionals, and find out what is best for you. Life is short, but with the right choices, it can be much longer and healthier. Let's go on this journey together for a better life. Let's talk about a stop that can transform your life and help you live longer and better. I'm talking about magnesium, a supplement that, the more you consume, the lower your chance of developing cancer. Yes, that's exactly what you heard. Magnesium has this incredible power, and it's just the beginning. Let's take a look at how it, along with other nutrients, can help you live longer and healthier. You've heard of coenzyme Q10 and taurine, right? These are two powerful supplements that, combined with magnesium, have shown impressive results in promoting longevity. We already have a lot of evidence about this. And that's not all. Glycine, which is a component of collagen, also has rejuvenating properties. This means that by consuming collagen, you could be helping your cells stay young for longer. Now, think with me. Taurine, omega-3, magnesium, and vitamin D are all supplements that can lead to a longer and healthier life. They are associated with reduced mortality from various causes, which is incredible. In addition, there are other active ingredients researched in places such as traditional Chinese medicine, such as TA65, which appears to prevent the shortening of telomeres, those structures that protect our DNA and are linked to aging. Speaking of telomeres, I had them tested once. It was about 4 years ago, and the result was interesting. Do you know what they recommended? Testosterone. Crazy, right? I kept thinking that if I had taken taurine, pycnogenol, magnesium, omega-3, and creatine at that time, perhaps my result would have been even better. The truth is that physical exercise is one of the most powerful interventions to improve health, and I have always believed that. Returning to coenzyme Q10, from the age of 30 or 40, our production of it begins to decrease. This is a problem because coenzyme Q10 is fundamental to our health. It helps conduct electrons in the mitochondria, which are the energy plants of our cells, and acts as an antioxidant. In other words, consuming coenzyme Q10 is essential, especially as we start to age. Coenzyme Q10 is fat-soluble, so it must be consumed with food. It is not as soluble as other elements, which means it remains on the periphery of the LDL cholesterol molecule. This means that, to make the most of it, you need to consume foods that help with the absorption of this coenzyme. It is a true line of defense for the heart, stimulating its ability to pump blood and protecting against cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, coenzyme Q10 helps reduce blood pressure. And it doesn't stop there. It is also effective in combating fibromyalgia, depression, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, and even Peyronie's disease, which is fibrosis in the penis. Impressive, right? These supplements have enormous potential to improve your quality of life and help you live longer. So, what do you think about starting to invest more in your health? Supplements such as magnesium, coenzyme Q10, taurine, omega-3, and vitamin D are powerful allies on this journey. They can not only increase your longevity, but also improve your quality of life significantly. Don't leave until tomorrow what you can start today. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. Remember, information is the key to a better life. Research, talk to health professionals, and find out which of these supplements are best for you. Each person is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. But one thing is certain, investing in your health is always a good idea. Let's go on this journey together towards a longer, healthier, and happier life. You deserve the best, and these supplements can be the first step towards achieving that. Don't let fear or misinformation stop you from taking advantage of all the benefits they have to offer. Live your life to the fullest with health and vitality.